In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a photo inside a big letter in Canva. By the end, you'll have a bold, photo-filled monogram effect that's perfect for social posts, thumbnails, or posters. Start by opening Canva at canva.com and creating any design size that fits your project. The exact dimensions don't change the process, so pick a square, a presentation slide, or a custom size and open a blank canvas. Now add a big letter. Click Text, choose, add a heading, and type a single letter, A, B, C, or any character you want to feature. Make it very large by dragging the corner handles so it occupies a strong portion of the canvas. A heavy, bold font works best because it gives your image more room to show through and it reads clearly at a glance. You can center the letter to keep the layout balanced and professional. Next, bring in your photo. Open the Uploads panel, upload the image you want, and drag it onto the canvas. Resize the photo so it's at least as large as the letter, preferably larger so you have flexibility to position the most interesting part inside the letter form. Canva maintains the image proportions when you drag the corners, so you won't accidentally distort it. Here's the simple effect that works on every account. Click to select the letter, open the text color picker, and move the transparency slider all the way to 0%. The letter will look invisible for a moment. That's expected. Now click your photo, right-click, and choose Send to Back. Instantly, the image will appear inside the shape of the letter, with whatever background color you have showing around it. If the focal point isn't framed nicely, just move or resize the photo until the key detail sits comfortably within the letter. Small nudges can make a big difference in readability. To help the letter stand out, you can add an outline. Select the letter, open Effects, choose Outline, and adjust the thickness until the edges feel crisp without overpowering the image. If your background is light, a darker outline increases contrast. If your background is dark or the photo is busy, a white or bright outline can add clarity. You can tweak the color to match your brand or to complement tones in the photo. Give everything a quick alignment check so it feels centered and balanced. And that's it. You've created a clean, eye-catching photo inside letter effect in Canva, ready to use across your projects.